Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have my very first 2023 box. I have Season House New Year's box. So technically it's a 2023 box. Full spoilers on everything that will come in this seasonal subscription box. If you're new around here, Season House is quickly becoming one of our favorites. We've only unboxed a few boxes, and every single time the experience and the product has been amazing. It is a monthly subscription box, and it comes with 4 to 6 items per box. It is $79.99 a month, but they do offer prepaid discounts, meaning if you took out a 6-month subscription, so you tell Season House, hey, I'm going to subscribe for 6 months, they lowered the price of the box per month, which is really cool. Shipping's only $5 in the US, and if you use the coupon code TPESAVE10, you do get $10 off your first box, which is pretty sweet. I know of a couple things in the box just because I've been doing some digging and peeking, but pretty much the rest of this box is a surprise. So I'm stoked to dive in because I think this is my very first New Year's themed specific box I've ever received. And I've been opening subscription boxes since 2015. So I'm super stoked. But that's what we love about this box. They send items based on holidays. So New Year's, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, spring, summer, 4th of July, back to school, end of summer, fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. They hit all of those really happy times and send us stuff to celebrate those really happy times. I am going to full spoil this box. If you order between now and December 9th, you will get this box, and this box starts shipping on December 10th. This box is also another favorite because it comes with the style guide. They also have their Instagram, which is really helpful. And this box plays well with our quarterly home decor boxes. You could do this in place of one of those, but your quarterly home decor box is bringing those heavy items for each quarter that you decorate. And then Season House monthly sends in the holiday and seasonal accents that go with those boxes. So it plays really well with other subscription boxes. Okay. Here's what I'm seeing on top. I definitely am seeing blacks and whites in here, which I love. We have a little thank you card from them on top. I gotta grab this first. I am digging these party fans. I love these fans. When my oldest was born, in the corner of her bedroom, I had a full big display of these to fill one of the corners in her nursery. It was so cute. I love them because this is how they store when you're not using them. This is it. But when you're using them, they're big and wonderful and happy. So here's a friendly tip. They come with sticky tape. You're supposed to pull that off, stick it together. But since I like to reuse them each year, and I don't want them to be like this when I need to store them, do I have one in here? Let's see. A regular paper clip or a paper clip of any sort, and I bring it together. I slide the paper clip on like you see there, and voila, you have it ready to go. Nobody will even know. And then at the end of the season, when you are done using it, you slide your paper clip off, you close it, and you store it to use it again. So there are 4 assorted party fans in here in black and white. That's a bigger picture. You can see more about them there. Very excited about these. I am realizing I don't really decorate for New Year's. I have Christmas up. But why would I not decorate for the new year? And we typically have people over as well, so that's changing as of today. What is this little guy? I am so excited about this. This is really fun. Ooh, so cute as an accent for a drink table, a charcuterie table, but also once you're done, you're gonna take this and put this on a tray. You're gonna take this and put this on top of a book stack. This has very universal, multiple season decorating ability, but also has that gold touch and screams really well for a tabletop decor for a New Year's party. What does this say? New Year wishes, pop, clink, fizz, midnight kisses, cheers, party, friends, champagne bubbly. Another cute little sign that you can put on an entryway. If you do like a book for all of your friends who come over, family who comes over, who writes out like maybe a resolution they're working on or a goal, this would be cute to sit by that. This would be cute on a drink table, like if you have a little champagne table, everybody comes and grab their champagne flute, and these two items are sitting on the champagne table. So cute. And you hackable people, it's a basic back. So you could hack this into just about anything, and it's wood. So I would be willing to put it outside. I think it'd be cute. I wouldn't leave it outside, but it's gonna withstand the elements if you were to take it out there. What does this guy say? I think it says cheers. It says cheers. Oh, is that a bottle opener? Look, it says cheers. Yes, cheers to you, bottle opener. So let me get the tag off so I can show it to you better. Okay, so it says cheers, but see this right here? You can hook it on a drink and pop it because it does have the hook at the base of the cheers. Oh my gosh. Once again, another great item to go on a drink table that you're setting up. Even if you don't do alcoholic beverages, you could put that on a really cute soda pop table. What is this guy? A outdoor throw blanket. Whoa, well, I'm surprised I didn't fall off. Have we received an outdoor throw? Of course we've received throw blankets. That's nothing new. But I don't know that we've received an outdoor throw. And I take my blankets, even the ones that we currently have that aren't exactly marked outdoor all the time. But to have one that is truly built to withstand the elements out there, 50 inches by 60 inches, made from recycled plastic bottles. Oh my gosh, I love this. We're all the way, as soon as it gets cold enough, cozy up by the fire pit type people. So on the outdoor couch, I take the indoor blankets and drape them on the back of the chairs and on the couch. So when we go out there with family and friends, we can sit, the fire's in the center, we have the tables to hold our drinks, and then we can cozy up with a blanket. I actually now have a blanket that is meant to be outside. And this guy is big. Hold on, look, he's really big. So he does have tassels that go down this one side. Oh my gosh. Okay, so y'all know me. What are washing instructions? Hand woven Dylan throw in brown. 100% polyester with UV stabilized yarns, machine wash cold, line dry. Easy breezy. I probably won't line dry. I typically toss those in the dryer on the gentle cycle with air dry only, and they dry just fine. Oh my gosh. An outdoor blanket. I am loving this. And there's still another item in here, you guys. Look. It is actually a Happy New Year's banner that you could hang in front of these pinwheels, or I will probably do the pinwheels in a cluster and then have the sign hanging beside it above like a drink station or at the entry of my home, or maybe even across the mantle. I love this. So we got one universal item, two universal item. I will use this universal, 3 universal item, 4, 5, 6, with the last 3 items being more specific to making sure you have a clear New Year's theme. Once again, I think you're seeing why we love Season House around here. I don't know how inventory is on this box. I know that they don't have a bunch of inventory because, I mean, I'm posting this today and orders close on December 9th. So if you like this box, I highly recommend moving quick to snag it, because I do think once this goes live, this is our first like official New Year's thing, and it is our first 2023 box. It's going to go quick. And the value on it's great, and the curation is so cute. Okay, you guys, if you have not checked out the Pink Envelope Holiday Gift Guide, run over there and check it out. It is full of gift ideas for the person who is impossible to shop for, and maybe doing a little shopping for yourself as well. I can't believe tomorrow we kick off December. That is so crazy, and I'm also so very, very excited. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because we're going to be doing all sorts of wonky and crazy through December. We've got some cool stuff coming up. I will be going on a little break to take a little TLC for my family, and then we will jumping back in January with the coolest stuff. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And while we're not releasing on YouTube towards the end of December, we will absolutely still be hanging out on social media. So if you do not hang out on Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, if you do not follow me on Instagram, head over there. That's more everyday life stuff. So if you're following there, you'll be in the loop even when we do take our little YouTube break in December. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely blessed day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.